Air Canada is now considered one of the best employers in Canada, and the ride has actually been recognized as being a contributor to building team spirit and breaking down silos within the corporation.
A lot of us have experiences with folks who have their friends or families that have suffered through cancer, and we wanted to make a difference, and we wanted to show that Air Canada was part of making a difference.
This is our 4th year doing the ride. I think joining the event, we brought a great team of folks together, and every year there's a nucleus of riders. We get to meet folks from all sorts of different parts of Air Canada. We're 27,000 employees across the globe. We have folks from all parts of the airline here today.
With the team coming together, there's a lot of networking. We get to meet them on a social basis on the weekends with the riding, and you bond at work, and it spreads throughout the company that this activity is something that people want to do and be part of.
Don't hesitate.
Don't hesitate. Get on with it.
Do it. You bring people together that didn't know each other before. You just bring the team together, and it's an awesome, epic event.